of juggling dongles and limited ports. This WAVLINK docking station promises to transform your workspace with a single cable, but can it really deliver on that promise of triple monitor madness and serious power? Let's dive in. Right out of the box, you notice the solid build. This isn't some flimsy plastic thing, it feels substantial. The real magic, though, is what it can do for your display setup. With 2 display ports and 1 HDMI, you can hook up to 3 monitors simultaneously. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While a single monitor can push a stunning 4K at 144 Hz if your source supports it, running 2 simultaneously will bring you to a still very respectable 4K at 60 Hz. For anyone doing serious multitasking, like programming, stock analysis, or just needing more screen real estate for presentations, this is a game changer. Just remember, your laptop's USB-C port needs to support video output for this to work its magic. But it's not just about the screens. This dock is a charging beast. The included 130-watt power adapter means it can fast charge your laptop with up to 100 watts, keeping you powered up even during intense work sessions. Plus, it offers a handy 7.5-watt charge for other USB-C devices. Connectivity is where this WAVLINK really shines. You get a total of 6 USB ports, including 2 speedy USB-C 10 Gbps ports and 1 USB-A 10 Gbps port for your fastest external drives, plus 3 more USB-A 5 Gbps ports for all your everyday peripherals. Add in Gigabit Ethernet for a stable wired connection and a 3.5mm audio jack, and you've got a complete workstation hub. The plug-and-play aspect is a huge plus. No drivers to fuss with, just connect and go. It's compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and Linux. However, there's a small caveat for Mac users. While Windows supports both mirror and extend modes across all displays, Mac OS offers mirror mode and a non-mirror mode where all external monitors show the same content, but it's different from your laptop screen. It's not quite the full extend experience on Mac, but for many, it's still a massive upgrade. Overall, the WAVLINK docking station is a powerful and versatile solution for anyone looking to declutter their desk and supercharge their productivity. It handles multiple high-resolution displays, provides ample fast charging, and offers a wealth of connectivity options, all through a single USB-C cable. If you're a Windows user, this is a near-perfect triple monitor hub. For Mac users, it's still a fantastic option, just with that one display mode limitation to be aware of.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.